Hi, there are 4 ways how you can charge your Samsung Galaxy S25. So firstly, when you unpack your phone, you'll find a Type-C charging cable included. Just connect one end of the cable to the connector on the bottom of your phone and the other end to any device with a Type-C connector such as a computer or laptop. And you can also use an AC adapter, but know that it's not included. So I'm gonna use just other Type-C cable, plug in my phone. And as you can see, it's charging just fine. You can see battery level and amount of time until full. Wireless charging is also supported, so simply place the phone on wireless charger and charging will start automatically. But you need to find right spot first because in my case I got not so powerful wireless charger, so it is really hard to find the right spot, but here it is, wireless charging and percentage. This new Galaxy S25 utilizes advanced wireless charging technology, which is a significant improvement over previous models. And also charge your phone in the car with a Type-C car adapter. So for that, simply plug the cable into the appropriate connector in your car. And the last way how you can charge your phone is with the help of wireless power sharing feature. So you can charge your phone from another one or reverse charge other devices from yours. For that, go in phone settings. Here find battery. Scroll down and find wireless power sharing. Now you need to set battery limit, which cannot be higher than your current battery percentage if you're planning to charge another device with the help of yours. And simply enable it by tapping on the switcher. Now I'm gonna take my phone, which also supports this feature, and place it on the back part of Samsung Galaxy S25. And you can see that it starts charging immediately, so everything is working just fine. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.